This is probably my biggest hack for using AI as effectively as possible. This is a feature in Claude called Projects, but ChatGPT has its equivalent and so does Gemini. First off, let's start with the problem that you face when you open up a new chat in Claude or ChatGPT. This is called a cold start. Not only are you going to ask it a question here, but you also have to provide a whole bunch of context in order to make that answer actually useful to you. On the other hand, if you start with a project, it already has a stored knowledge base of all the context that you might want to provide given the topic that you're asking Claude about. In this case, this has the context of the app I'm building. If I scroll to the bottom here, it shows the project knowledge that's in this project. So what I've uploaded here is purpose and philosophy, key features, value prop, and the tech stack that I'm using. So it's using all of this context for the app I'm building in order to answer better questions about creating this app. Here's another one that I come back to time and time again. In order to create prompts, I have given it context behind Replit, which is what I'm creating prompts for. It's something that can build an app using a single text prompt. And I gave it examples so that every time I interact with this and talk about the type of app I want to build, it's going to build me a prompt using the best practices from the knowledge that I have provided. This is the Claude desktop app, by the way, which was released recently, and I love that you can make projects right from your desktop without having to go to the internet. I'll make a test one right here. You can put in what you're trying to achieve, but I usually skip that step and go right to creating the project. So this is where you're going to set custom instructions for the project if you want to. How should Claude respond? So you can say, put tone of voice prompts in here, for example, or specific formatting that you want it to return with. Otherwise, you can press add content and it allows you to upload from device. So you can upload PDFs, images, or you can copy and paste in text content directly here. And it has a pretty generous context window.